For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
67,151 COVID-19 cases and 1,059 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in India. Total COVID-19 cases in India stand at 32,34,475. Currently, there are 7,07,267 active cases, while 24,67,759 people have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, the death toll in India has climbed to 59,449. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana contribute to 80% of the cases in the country. Maharashtra continues to report the highest number of cases in India. As on 26th August, the active cases stand at 1,66,239. Recovered cases stand at 5,14,790. Deaths have risen to 22,794 and total cases stand at 7,03,823. Tamil Nadu reports the second highest number of cases in the country. As on 26th August, the active cases in Tamil Nadu are 52,128. Recovered cases stand at 3,32,454 and 6,721 deaths have been reported. Total cases stand at 3,91,303. Andhra Pradesh has the third highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. As on 26th August, the active cases in Andhra Pradesh stand at 89,932. Recovered cases stand at 2,78,247. Deaths have risen to 3,460 and total cases stand at 3,71,639. Karnataka has the third highest number of active cases in the country. As on 26th August, the active cases in Karnataka are 82,410. Recovered cases are 2,04,439. Deaths have risen to 4,958 and total cases stand at 2,91,826. The total number of COVID-19 samples tested up to 25th August is 3,76,51,512. 9,23,992 samples were tested on Tuesday alone. Worldwide, the COVID-19 pandemic continues to wreak havoc. United States and Brazil have more COVID-19 cases than India.